Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to log into Affin online banking account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you prefer, and on the search URL, type in affingroup.com. Once you press enter on your keyboard, you will get to the official website of Affin Bank. Now on this interface, at the upper right corner, you will get login button. Click on login button. From here, select the account that you would like to log in. I will go with personal account. And then you will be taken to the login portal. Here, enter your username associated with your account. In case you forgot your username, you can simply go to the link that says forgot username, and that will help you to recover your account. Now then click on login, and on the next page you have to enter your password. Enter your correct password. Once you do that, click on login button, and then you will be directly logged into your Affin online banking account. And this is how you can simply log into Affin online banking account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.